dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a computer subject for class 2. Dear students, today's topics short questions from chapter 4. Short questions from chapter 4 and our lecture number 9. Lecture number 9, and today there is no homework. Our topic short question from chapter 4. Now look at the board. Chapter 4, the chapter's name is the mouse. Question number 1, what is called the mouse pointer? Answer is the arrow on the monitor screen that moves with the mouse is called the mouse pointer. When the mouse is moved, the pointer moves on the monitor screen. Now move on. Question number 2, what is clicking? The action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called clicking. A mouse click helps us select an item on the monitor screen. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is how can you select an item? Our answer is we can select an item on the monitor screen with a mouse click. We use left click to select an item on the monitor. So dear students, here are 3 questions given from chapter 4, the mouse. Question number 1, what is called the mouse pointer? Question number 2, what is clicking? And question number 3, how can we select an item? And you pick up the questions from chapter 4 and answer also. So dear students, hope understood today's topic, and is there any problem is these chapters, then you can call me. My phone number is given here. So see you next class. Allah Hafiz.